Hello everyone, and welcome to Polario Bear. Here we are in nature. Oh no, a shadow. Who's that?
Right by the school.
Mystery Man. Ah yes, Mystery Man 2. He won't be in here for long, but he's here. And as you heard, there's some beef going on between me and Niggee Bear. But let me tell you something. Oh, we're getting speed. It's that stuff. And we're out here in nature. Whoa, hold on. As you can see, bushy bush, concretey concrete.
You're copying a Niggee video.
No, what video? He has no videos. He deleted them.
Grass. Pebbles.
Wally Wall. Not sponsored by Wally the movie.
Fucking generic ass Niggee Bear.
Yeah, what he said. So I'm here, not queer, but Niggee Bear might be. I'm not sure. I don't even know what a bear is. I don't know. I've been told it's a gay, hairy man.
This
but
Niggee Bear counts as berry.
Yeah.
Fucking flower.
Oh no! Oh, he's been pillaged and raped. That day, flower kind. Oh, been attacked. Oh, I don't think you can see that. Anti-ants. And that. Oh, we're turning around. This video's gone to a crazy twist. Oh no, there's someone out there.
They can't see autism.
No. Here we go. Oh no, here goes another twist. We're going up here. Yes, as you heard, Niggee Bear has deleted his diss track because he said diss tracks are gay. But he made a diss track. So Niggee Bear making a diss track equal gay?
Get your own content. Stop copying Niggee Bear.
Nah. This is pure content. Bushy bush, tree.
You're copying his videos exactly.
What videos? He deleted.
It's just a different voice.
Nah. This is me. This is who I am. Shadowy shadow.
Oh yeah, tell a faggot Christian to stay after school. I'd kill him.
Oh yeah, this person ain't Christian. I don't know who he is, but I've been told that he needs to stay after school. Oh no. Oh, what's that? I don't know. But it's been a long ride, but I guess I gotta go. Like, comment, subscribe, all that gay shit that I don't do. Oh! And yeah,
This way in the video.
Yeah, oh yeah, also, secretly.